In this video, we're going to be looking at how to take a dictionary in Python and sort it pretty easily. And let me go ahead and just copy this in because no one wants to see me type this all out, right? We all know this is a dictionary. And let me go ahead and just switch some of these ages up here because I was playing around with this. And that person's 254 years old. And this person is 40. I think that's a pretty healthy mix of ages here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a variable sorted age list. So we have a dictionary up above, and yeah, I have Google Copilot on here. So I've typed this out a few times playing around with it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit tab, and I'm going to walk you through this. So I'm going to get a list here. So this sorted right here, what it's going to do is it's going to, take my dictionary here, and it's going to sort it given the instructions that are being given to it. So the first thing you need is the people's age, which is this dictionary items. All right, awesome. And then what I'm going to do here is with the key lambda is just a throwaway in place kind of function. It's kind of like, I would say like the default, but you could give it more specific instructions, I believe, if you wanted to. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, for every entry X, which this is X, well, this is X, as it comes in and looks at each one, right? What I want is this value, which is going to refer to the numbers. If I switched it to 0, it would be the names, the keys right here. And I'll show you in just a moment. So we're going to do people's age sorted. And so we're going to take the outcome of this. And I guess, what I could have done is just like wrapped this inside of here if I wanted to, but I'm just doing these on one line. So I'm taking this list, turning it back into a dictionary so it looks like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out the people's age sorted here. So let's go ahead and run this. And you can see I was playing with it earlier there. But we have Susan 6, Alice 24, Mike 27, Bob 40, Jane 88, and Joe somehow lived to be 254 years old. So I think that's pretty cool. This is a very easy, straightforward way you could do this. But just to show you, what if rather than using the value here, I wanted to do this based off the key? And you want to be careful because if one of these names was capitalized, I believe it would evaluate it slightly different. So you'd get results that don't quite make sense up front. So, just a naming scheme suggested there. So let's come in and do this. And we see we have Alice, Bob, Jane, Joe, Mike, and Susan. So it alphabetizes it for us, which is cool. So you could do it based off the age or based upon the name. Obviously, this is sorted age, so we're going to want to keep it like that. But this is one way you could do it. If you like what I'm doing, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.